In the quaint little town of Maple Grove, one could find the cheerful Hart's family. Their home, nestled in the warm embrace of nature, was filled with laughter and love. One special Saturday morning, sunshine filtered through the curtains, and nature's orchestra, composed of chirping birds, heralded a new day. Emma and Daniel, the loving parents, exchanged playful nudges as they lay in bed, basking in the gentle morning light. Their children, Lily, a spirited 10-year-old with a curious mind, and Jack, a 7-year-old with an infectious giggle, rushed into the room, ready to start their day of adventures. The family gathered in the heart of their home, the kitchen, to whip up a batch of their famous pancakes. Jack, determined to help, managed to spill flour onto every surface, leaving even his hair dusted white. His misadventure was met with peals of laughter. Eager to show off her flipping skills, Lily encouraged a pancake to leap from the griddle, landing comically askew on the counter, prompting new waves of giggles. As they happily munched on their imperfectly perfect pancakes, the family planned their day, each proposing a favorite activity. "To the park, for some fresh air," suggested Emma. "And Grandma's house for cookies," added Daniel, winking. "Don't forget movie night," chimed in Lily, her eyes twinkling. With a plan set, the happy Harts were on the move. Their journey to the nearby park was a colorful parade of bicycles. Jack, still mastering his balance, faltered slightly with his training wheels, but, cheered on by Daniel, he surged forward with renewed confidence and a triumphant smile. Picnicking beneath the shade of a grand oak tree, Emma unpacked homemade sandwiches while the family allowed the moment to wrap them in tranquility. With bellies full, the children and parents embarked on wild adventures through the park's grassy knolls and flower-dotted paths. The lure of sweet treats led the Harts to a quaint local ice cream shop on their way home. Chocolate for Jack, strawberry for Lily, and a shared sundae for the parents. Taste testing every flavor ended with sticky fingers and shared laughter. Grandma's warm and cozy home was their next stop. She welcomed her beloved family with open arms and the irresistible aroma of freshly baked cookies. Sharing tales of Emma's childhood thievery of apple pies from the windowsill made Lily and Jack giggle with delight. Grandma's cherished scrapbook opened a gateway to the past. Lily and Jack marveled at the sepia-toned photos depicting a younger, adventure-seeking version of their parents, sparking their imagination. Together, the family rolled up their sleeves in Grandma's garden, infusing life into the soil with colorful flowers. Amid the garden antics, Jack's attempt to water the flowers resulted in dousing Daniel, who retaliated, sparking an impromptu water fight, much to everyone's delight. To end their gardening efforts, the family surprised Grandma with a heart-shaped flower bed, a symbol of their love. Her radiant smile and the endearment, "My happy Harts," brought a cherished moment to an unforgettable day. As dusk kissed the sky, the Harts family gathered around to create a hearty dinner. Emma teased about their budding restaurant skills, dubbing it Happy Hearts Cafe. And then commenced a spirited board game that saw Jack's sporting spirit shine as he cheered his sister on, even in defeat. Ensconced in the inviting embrace of their living room couch, the family snuggled together for movie night. The slapstick humor of the film paired with ample popcorn elicited laughter so fervent their sides ached.